ආයුබෝවන්. European Union is a high potential market for various kinds of coconut products from Sri Lanka. The main product categories exported to EU are coconut nuts, desiccated coconut, activated carbon and geotextiles made out of fibre. Desiccated coconut is one of the potential products from Sri Lanka to the EU. There has been a marked improvement in demand as well as exports of all these coconut products from Sri Lanka after the sudden fall in 2008-9 period. Sri Lanka is a top supplier of geotextile products to EU and at number 3 after Philippines and Indonesia in desiccated coconut. Sri Lanka has improved its position since 2006 by becoming amongst the top 10 supplier of activated carbon with high growth. Germany, Netherlands, United Kingdom and France are the key European destinations for Sri Lanka in Europe. The other markets with high potential for these products are China, Japan, Philippines, Mexico, USA, Middle East, Egypt, Saudi Arabia and Korea. There are various market access requirements to be met before exporting coconut and coconut-based products to the EU markets. A couple of them are tariff and quota GSP for developing country, international socio-label fair trade, occupational health and safety, fumigation certification, HACCP for kernel products and import cess. It is also to be noted that Philippines, Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand and Vietnam are the key competitors to Sri Lankan coconut and coconut-based industry all over the world. EU on its own is not a producer of coconut but it consumes coconut in both edible and industrial categories. The consumer trends for such products relies heavily on high quality, environment-friendly healthcare and novelty. The consumers are showing inclination towards natural products backed up by fair trade as prerequisite. There is a strong market segmentation with multiple channels and intermediaries based on variables like varieties, natural or environment friendly products, food ingredients, building materials, craft, home decor and in special cases as per the country specific preferences. The kernel products may be classified as per the consumption in various sectors like confectionery, hotel, processed foods as well as the direct domestic consumption. For varieties of products in edible categories, even the retail chains or institutional sales are also one of the prominent segments to be focused on. EDB strives to keep Sri Lankan exporters updated on all the latest marketing insight. Don't miss out on signing up for our exporter alerting services and make sure you sign up for our periodical market opportunities briefing for the coconut and coconut based product sector. Don't hesitate to contact us at www.srilankabusiness.com.